This tutorial will show you how to combine clips in Capcut PC online free video editing software completely for free. If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Presets and effects for life, click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial. Okay, the first step is to combine clips, or how to combine clips in free video editing software Capcut PC. As you can see, I have a couple video clips here in Capcut PC. One video clip, two video clip, and a third video clip right here. Now let's say we want to combine both of these video clips. Well, the first step to do this is you want to click on your video clip, make sure it's selected and highlighted. See as it's turned white. And same thing for this clip, click and hold down Control on your keyboard. See that's how it selects and highlights both of the clips. And now you want to right click on your clip. There's a couple ways to do this. You can create a compound clip. And as you can see, it now created or merged everything into one clip. Or you can Control Z on your keyboard to undo this effect. And now with both clips and selected and highlighted, right click and you can click group. As you can see now, we just have one video that is grouped, or both of the video clips are grouped into one as you click and select, instead of having a compound clip in Capcut PC Online completely for free.